Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, then please hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. This is the Main Choice original line. I have the Detangling Hydration Shampoo, which is sulfate free. Then I have the Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment, which is a deep conditioner. So we're going to try these out for the first time. I'm excited. So my hair was previously pre-pooed overnight with coconut oil. This is the next morning and I just wet it to get ready to shampoo. This is what the Detangling Hydration Shampoo looks like. It has a really nice pearled look to it, and when I applied it to my hair and my scalp, it felt very moisturizing and soft. So I usually do 2 lathers of shampoo, and on my second lather of using this, my hair still felt extremely moisturized, but I was kind of concerned because it didn't really feel clean. So I did have to go in with a third lather just because I didn't feel like all of the product residue and buildup was gone from my hair, and I didn't really like the fact that I had to use this 3 times. The moisture on this is fantastic, it's great, but at the same time, I don't feel like the cleansing power was up there because I had to use this 3 times, and that rarely happens with shampoos. But after my third lather, I did feel like my hair was finally clean. Now moving on to the Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. The consistency of this is pretty lightweight and runny. I personally had to use a lot of this just to feel like my hair was saturated. And as for slip, what I noticed after using the Detangling Hydration Shampoo is that the shampoo really didn't detangle my hair at all, and I actually had a few tangles in there. So I had to use a lot of the deep conditioner to get through those tangles. But the good thing is that once my hair was saturated fully in the deep conditioner, the slip was really good and I was able to get through those tangles. One thing that I liked was how defined my curls looked with the deep conditioner. I felt like my hair was taking really well to it because my curls were really defined and getting shrunken, and they just looked really good. However, the results that you guys are going to see at the end are completely different from what you see now. My curls did not stay this defined. So something that I started doing again while deep conditioning is just 2-strand twisting each section of my hair to help my hair stay detangled. I used to do this when my hair was really short, and I kind of skipped doing this while my hair was like in its medium stage, but now my hair is getting longer and it's just really hard to manage on wash day, so twisting my hair while in deep conditioning really helps my hair stay detangled. So I'm just applying the deep conditioner, finger detangling to get the tangles out, 2-strand twisting, and then I'm going to deep condition my hair for 15 minutes using my hair therapy wrap. Okay guys, so I am back with my final first impressions on these 2 Main Choice products. So going back to what I said about the detangling shampoo, I felt like I needed to do 3 lathers to get my hair clean. And then also it does say detangling shampoo. My hair was a little bit tangled after shampooing. It wasn't like extreme or anything like terrible, but it was a little bit tangled, and for the name to say detangling, I didn't feel like it did any kind of detangling for my hair. So that's pretty much how I feel about the shampoo. It was okay. So as for the mask treatment, I really like this, but at the same time I feel like my hair is drying out kind of fast, and also in this area right here it feels frizzy. I don't know if it looks frizzy on camera, but it feels frizzy up here, and I don't know, I just feel like my hair is drying really fast, and the curl definition is just like disappearing. Usually deep conditioners that I use have shea butter. This is probably one of the few that I've used that does not have any type of like shea butter or any butter in it. I have high porosity hair. My hair is pretty hard to manage. Maybe that's why my hair is frizzing so much, because there's literally like no butter residue that's sitting on my hair and kind of making it more manageable. Because yeah, I'm not really liking the frizz that I'm seeing after washing the deep conditioner out. Basically, my take on the Main Choice is that these products are okay. For the price, This one was $13, this is $19. I definitely don't think it's worth the high price. Let me know in the comments if you tried Mane Choice. What are your thoughts? If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.